Thank you everyone for joining today. My name is Kristen Mann and I'm a product manager at Meta working on Horizon. Previous to Meta, I've had the great opportunity to work on some amazing games like Guild Wars 2, Alan Wake 2, I don't know what it is with twos, and Shadow of Mordor. But today I'm here really on this Thursday, like I said, to recap the great talks that have already happened about Meta Horizon Worlds. There have been some great talks from my colleagues on economy, on tooling, on GenAI. And I'm going to walk through the journey we've been on at Meta through the Quest ecosystem and talk about how we're doubling down on creators and developers, starting, of course, with our Creator Fund that we announced last month. I'm going to talk a little bit about how the tools will support creating great, amazing worlds. And then I'll get to how we're helping our creators, the meat of this, expand reach and Meta Horizon Worlds, especially the growing opportunity we have on mobile and on Meta's family of apps. Meta Horizon is Meta's next generation social platform where people can spend meaningful time together even when they are apart. Worlds are central to enabling that social part of Horizon. And worlds are really the gateway to dynamic, fun, immersive experiences, sort of what you saw on the video earlier and what you see on the screen here today. Horizon Worlds is, of course, built through an amazing community of creators. And maybe a quick show of hands, how many creators do we have in the room today? Yay! Welcome, glad to have you here. Built by these amazing creators. And Meta Horizon Worlds initially started on Quest headsets, and then we quickly expanded that to web and mobile so that there are more users to enjoy the great experiences that we have on Meta Horizon Worlds, and that they can enjoy those experiences whether or not they have a headset. And so that developers and creators can reach more people across a variety of devices. Last year was pivotal for us. We invested in improving the visual quality and performance in order to power great, amazing content. And we have continued to improve the core systems of monetization and tooling. As a result, Horizon Worlds has grown significantly last year, and it is a top 5 app among Quest 3 weekly users. We have also accelerated our investments in mobile with the Meta Horizon app, which I've spent a lot of time working on, which opens up the ability for headset users to play and coordinate with their friends, like I said, regardless of whether those friends have a headset or not. This also maximizes reach, enabling cross-platform play for Horizon Worlds, and makes it easier to share and coordinate play. This year, we are creating more opportunities for developers and creators to reach the roughly 3.3 billion active users on the Meta family of apps, including Facebook and Instagram. And I will talk a lot more about that later. First and foremost, though, we believe that it is important for creators to be able to build a business around successful worlds. Last month, we announced that we're investing a $50 million creator fund for our creators. Now, any creator of mobile and MR worlds in eligible countries can earn through the Meta Horizon Creator Program. And we just expanded that creator program to more than 17 countries, and we welcome all the creators and developers in this room and around the world to come build your business with us. Each month, we'll pay out bonuses from the Creator Fund to the makers of fun and engaging worlds, and bonuses will be tied to the world's contributions to the overall ecosystem based on metrics such as time spent, retention, pretty standard stuff. As part of the $50 million Creator Fund, we also have kicked off a new creator competition last week. We ran one in December. It was very cool to see what everybody came up with as part of that competition. Now we're amping up the prize pot. It's now $1 million with individual prizes up to $100K. And I'll have a way you can sign up for that at the end of the slides. Bonuses and competitions are not the only way developers can build a business from their worlds. You can also sell digital goods as in-world purchases. And as of a few weeks ago, we expanded the amount of countries that users can purchase goods in. So now users are able to purchase items in any worlds to expand on the growth that we've been seeing across paying users and transactions. And of course, you can't build fun and engaging worlds without tooling. So to help creators build those amazing worlds, we have invested in creating a tool set for that. We released the Meta Horizon Worlds desktop editor into early access last month, which gives all creators access to a set of powerful advanced tooling on Windows, which includes things from TypeScript to 3D model imports, PCs, and more. Now, creators can create more complex and interactive experiences on desktop using a workflow that's already familiar. In the US, the desktop editor also comes with a suite of GenAI tools that enables creators to push the boundaries of creativity, shorten the time to deployment, or leverage it to fill a technical gap. Now, creators leveraging the tools can generate TypeScript, sound effects, and ambient audio. And coming soon, creators will be able to use generative skyboxes, 3D mesh, and even create an entire experience from scratch. In addition to providing various ways to learn, earn, and a more powerful creation tool, the unique advantage, as I said at the top, is that Meta can provide creators user acquisition and access to our 3.3 billion active user base across the family of apps. And we know that growth and getting more users is especially important to creators and developers and is always top of mind once your world and experience is out there. Now that Horizon Worlds works across web, headset, and mobile, creators can reach an even larger audience than before, shipping once and getting access to the platform at scale. We have built more ways for the family of apps users to access worlds. Today, existing Horizon users can access Horizon Worlds directly on Facebook, and we have plans to expand this to Instagram as well. So if you look at this third image here, it says Fire and Rescue, has a Go to World button. That Go to World will take you directly to that world within Facebook, no needing to switch to the Meta Horizon app. Speaking of the Meta Horizon app, we are also another hot topic when it comes to user acquisition is discovery. We're also improving our discovery algorithm in the Meta Horizon app, making it easier for players to find and discover their next great world, and making it more straightforward for developers and creators to understand how their world will be discovered and what they can do to improve their chances of discovery. And we're not stopping here. We recognize that this is a critical funnel for growth. And we're going to continue to expand and invest in ways that creators can reach the family of apps users over the coming year. So a lot of words for it. There's never been a better time than to build for Horizon. Please join us and join the wonderful creator community that is around us today. Come join the Meta Horizon Creator Program. It gives you access to the Creator Fund, gives you access to the competition and tutorials, and a whole host and a community there to help you. As I mentioned, we have the Creator Competition. I'll plug it one more time. The theme this time around is mobile. I'm very excited about that, and I hope I can see some obbies being built. Those are my special favorite. I would love to see some obbies come out of this, but I'm looking forward to seeing all the things that come out of the creator competition. I also want to plug, if you're interested in getting a hands-on demo of the desktop editor, please visit the Meta booth in the expo hall. It's right there up front. It's a great way to get your hands on the tools and get a sense for things. And we can't wait to see what you build in Horizon. I want to leave ample time for Q&A, so please, if you have questions, either come up to the mic or you can raise your hand and shout at me. I'm open to either one. Yes?
I'm curious,
Oh my goodness. Why don't I follow up with you after and get the answer to that? I believe the answer is we're hosting all of them. But on the second question, let's follow up. Great question. Yes.
Oh, hi. Hi, Manders. One of your creators. Do you have any plans for essentially incorporating kind of almost like ad-based bonuses into your program?
Yeah, great question. Ads is a huge part. Obviously, it's a pretty well-known way of user acquisition. And so we are looking at how we might incorporate ads both into how we can help power UA on our platform. So nothing to announce now, but we are looking at it.
Okay, next question.
Please.
When is the ability to bring in skin meshes coming to be able to have more advanced animation for creatures or characters that you're making?
Yeah, you should, you know. I don't have a timeline to announce today. I think just keep track on our announcements.
Okay.
Oh, no, Gabe.
Yeah, I meant, if you have the technical questions, I can jump on too. But
Beautiful.
Yeah, we're working on the ability to import custom skin animations. So that's in progress now, so we can talk more about it. Okay. But it's not available yet. Yep.
Not available yet, but coming soon. Just a recap for the recording.
What is Meta doing to ensure with these new tools that there won't be a flood of mediocre content and just kind of poisoning the waters with too much poorly executed content?
Yeah, it makes sense. Good question. Here's what I will say is that we welcome a variety of content, right? What we want is everyone to become and build for our platform. I think what you are recognizing is how do we make sure that our players are still having a great experience and are not jumping into lower quality experiences, and really the work that I mentioned on some of our discovery algorithms and things like that will help support and funnel up the right worlds for the right audience, so that some players might want to try new worlds. So you could see that across some other UGC platforms where people just like to jump into new experiences and test them out. But some of our players might want only the top quality worlds. And so it's finding the right content for the right user at the right time. Any other questions? Yes.
Hey, I'm Matthias, one of your creators at the MECP. I see the Go to World button that you guys are adding into Facebook there. You're saying that would take them directly into the world on the Facebook app without having to take them into the Horizon app, I guess you call it?
Yeah, the question was, and I should have been repeating questions, the question was, does the Go to World button that I showed take them directly into Horizon World experience? And the answer is yes.
So how does what are their usernames at that point? That would be looking at, does it give them a temporary username until they sign up for a Horizon account, or do they have to go through the account creation process?
Great question. The follow-up was, do they have to go through the account creation process? Right now, it's showing up for existing Meta Horizon users, so they have an account already. So they are able to just jump in and play. Question was, do we plan on asking or setting up a trial flow? I think we're keenly interested as we build out into the family of apps, reducing friction wherever we can, because we're interested in getting folks into the experience as quickly as possible. So we're looking at everything, I will say, for ways that we can do it.
Great, thank you.
Yes.
So just kind of a follow-up on that one. How does developer ensure their game is on that feed that says go to world? Is it a paid kind of slot, or is it just algorithmic discovery?
So the question was, how do you ensure that your world is showing up appropriately? A lot of the things that we've talked about previously in other venues around ensuring your world is open to discovery, so that's things like making sure your world is highly performant, making sure your world doesn't have any sort of legal concerns with leveraging other IP, stuff like that is things that we're looking for. Otherwise, for the most part, it's a discovery algorithm.
Do you provide any kind of data of who is getting to the islands, who's playing those islands?
We have a suite of analytics that we provide back to creators and developers, and we are constantly working on providing more. So certainly, if you do get in there and have feedback, please give it back to us on what you'd like to see specifically. Yes.
Can you get in a little bit more detail about marketing and how it integrates with all those apps? Is it up to the developer to market their own app, or I know you mentioned algorithm, but how does that work? And is it maybe, can you go to those details?
Yeah, because of the way, so the question was, how does marketing work? How does it integrate with all of these sort of integrations in the family of apps? There's sort of two ways to look at this. One, which is unearned sort of marketing, which is just like by the fact of having a great app or a great world in Meta Horizon worlds, you will get discovery, right? So for top apps, for example, or top worlds, for example, it will show up on our top picks or top worlds. That's an example of maybe unearned marketing or unearned discovery, and that is what I was showing here today. I think there was also the question about ads, which is sort of that earned or paid marketing, and I think that's the part where we're still investigating a little bit more into. But just know this is all for free, essentially, in terms of that unearned piece. All right. Thank you. I will be available for questions afterwards. And please fill out the feedback form here. You have a chance, I've been told you have a chance to win a $5 Starbucks gift card if you fill it out. Thank you all.